Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see this on my in the video or not, but when I share images of this mantle layer weather pattern that I've saved a couple years ago, at least, probably 3 years ago, it doesn't show the center. It's really light to begin with. Anyways, I mean, as I've saved this image and moved it and copied it and all that, it's degraded the quality, and it probably has something to do with also my monitor settings. You know, it could be a little bit brighter, I guess, but you can see right in here, and it totally ruins the whole image. You really can't see the three-dimension. I mean, you kind of can. This circle right here is like the mantle layer. This part, and these were like walls that came up, and you can see like the edge of the crust right around this area here, where you see this outside curve, and then this inside was like an open wound. It looked like an open wound, like a big circle. I don't know. I had a cat one time that got pecked in the chest by a bird or something, or bit by something, and they had to take the whole chunk of skin off right there with the fur. And I remember I had to clean it and everything all the time. But it was like, it looked just like that, like an open wound. It looked like an open wound. All this was really detailed and really defined. And you can see there was like walls around the outside. And the weather shows the surface of the Earth really well. They don't give us very good images of from the satellites. They keep those to themselves. But they used to give us really good images once in a while of the weather. Good enough. I mean, this was really detailed when I saved it. Believe me, it's totally degraded over a period of time. And now, when I try to share the image, I can see it when I see it on my Google Earth. I can see it right here. You know, but when I share it to Google Plus, it does not even show this whole inside. You can't see it; it's dark. And this used to be all bright. You could see the whole thing before. I mean, really good. I don't know what happened. Let me see if I can make an adjustment, or if I left it. It's all the way up. But that's exactly where you can see where Africa is in this picture here. I'm right over Africa with that picture. You can see I'm right where it was. Everything's a little bit off, but that's where the circle was showing, right over the Azores. See the Azores are pretty much right in the center. Well, this is shown more than just this one time. I've seen it many more times than just this time. But this was one of the times when it looked so three-dimensional and so real. I stared at it for like, I don't know, at least an hour or two, and just moved it around. And I know that this is from the moon. I've already fit this with moon patterns already. I just want you to be able to see it, because it's really, just keep your eyes open for it at least. When you see the weather in the Atlantic and you see a big round circular pattern like this, it's huge. It goes almost all the way across the Atlantic. So I just want to point that out. I hope you can see it. If not, I'll just look for another. I might have another copy of it somewhere. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. It's like hundreds of degrees here, so I'm really hot. All right.